What's the meaning of crammer? Crammer. Crammer.
Crammer. Crammer. A crammer is someone who tries to learn a large amount of information in a short period of time, often for an exam or test. This approach to studying can be stressful and is not always effective in terms of long-term retention of knowledge. Cramming can lead to feelings of anxiety and can even have negative effects on physical health due to lack of sleep and high stress levels. While cramming may help with short-term performance, it is generally not recommended as a long-term study strategy.